Hello and welcome back to the ZeduHow series. I'm your host, the jolliest of developers, and in today's episode we are going to be talking about how to use Google Drive. So first of all, what is Google Drive? Well, Google Drive is a tool that can allow you to host your files and put everything up in the cloud. Meaning that if you go away from your computer and if you want to get stuff on your home computer and your school computer, but you don't want to carry around USBs and all these other type of ways, the easiest thing that you can do is back them up into the cloud, which is also Google Drive. Once you back them up there, then you can access them anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. So let's dive on in. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to access my drive. Now the easiest way you can do this is by going to www.google.com. And after that, going to press the 3x3 squares and clicking Drive. Once you do this, this is going to load up your Google Drive. Just give it a second to load up, and voila, we are here. As you can see, we got a bunch of old files, and the first thing you're going to need to know is how to upload your files. The easy way is by just dragging and dropping things. For example, if I were to go, I'm just going to upload my downloads. So for example, if I was going to grab something, I could just drag it in. For example, I have here a folder, and if I was going to grab, let's say, just a simple file, as you can see, I just drag it, and down here on this side of the screen, the right lower hand side, you can actually see the tool right there. And that's exactly what we loaded up, and if we click here, we can see locate in my drive, and it highlights it. For example, if I were going to right click on the file, I could go and make a copy of it, or I could view manage versions. For example, if something has the same title, it'll add it up here so you can see all the different versions. I can rename it, which I'm just going to do. So I'm going to remove that, and I'm just going to And now all I have to do is press the create button, give it a second, and as you can see, it is here. And now I'm just going to grab some files. So for example, like I said, I'm going to grab my Google site, and I'm just going to click and drag. I'm going to have to grab this map, so I'm just going to click and drag. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit, make sure it goes in the right folder, and then last but not least, this delicious snowman. Just drag it in there, fast double click, And as you can see, I have all my files. Now, if I go back to my drive by clicking here on the left-hand side on the My Drive button, you will be able to go to My Shared Project. Just click on it once, do not double click, do not open it, and then what you need to do is you need to right click, very important, right click, and then you can click Share. Now, there's different ways you can share a project. For example, you can type in their email address here, or you can click Get Shareable Link, and you can actually share this with anybody. And all you have to do is just press the copy link, and it will copy the link to your clipboard. So now all you have to do is open up a new tab, paste and go, and as you can see, it'll bring you directly to this folder. And the perfect thing is that if you share just one folder, then they will have only access to that folder, so you don't have to worry about them having access to your entire drive. This is extremely useful when you have a project coming up. So thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys in the next episode. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you have any feedback for us, comment down below.